Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by powering the Ntorq to on and enabling its Bluetooth. This wakes the module so the phone can see it. Next, open your phone's Bluetooth page and make it discoverable. Modern phones use Bluetooth 4. 2 or newer, so make sure your device supports that. Then, press and hold the scooter's pairing button for about 3 seconds until the LED alternates blue. This signals the module is advertising and ready to accept a connection. Once the scooter advertises, find the Ntorq entry on your phone and tap to pair. This is the essential connection step. When prompted, enter the code 0000 or simply accept the pairing dialog. Accept any permission requests for contacts and media so voice and calls work correctly. Make sure audio and navigation access are allowed. That ensures ride-by notifications and turn-by-turn cues function. After pairing, wait for a clear connected confirmation before moving on. This confirms a secure link between phone and scooter. To finalize, test media playback and an incoming call so you confirm audio routes through the scooter. Adjust volume on both devices if needed. Once done, make sure automatic reconnection is enabled on your phone so the pair persists when you restart. If connection fails, restart both phone and scooter and repeat pairing. This clears transient faults. If problems persist, perform the scooter's Bluetooth module reset per the user manual. This removes stale pair records and usually resolves stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.